What we've been looking at so far is just a single trait at a time, like the flower color in the flowers. So it's pretty easy to figure out what we would put at the top and the left of a Punnett square. We're just going to separate these two letters, so capital P, lowercase p. But what we're going to do now is actually look at two traits at the same time. So here we have our yellow round P, and here we have our green wrinkly P. So go with me on a little thought experiment, and let's say these were actually for humans, and the Y codes for how to make a heart, and the R codes for how to make a brain. Would we want to make cells, sex cells, that only have YY? If this were a sperm and it only had genes for how to make a heart, what would be missing? It would be missing the genes for how to make a brain. So we want to make sure that in our possible combinations, we have at least one copy of each of the important chromosomes, or in this case, just letters. So I'm going to show you how I figure out all the possible combinations, and you can figure out what makes the most sense to you. So our possible combinations are capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, and capital Y, capital R. You'll notice that they're all the same because this particular P is homozygous dominant. But I want you to now practice with the homozygous recessive.